Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will write equivalent fractions for a whole number. Let's write equivalent fractions for 3 wholes. First, we'll start by using halves. 1/2, 2 halves. We know that 2 halves makes 1 whole. 3 halves, 4 halves. That would make 2 wholes. 5 halves, 6 halves. That makes 3 wholes. We can say that 6 halves is equivalent to 3 wholes. Now let's try thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. 3/3 makes 1 whole. 4/3, 5/3, 6/3 makes 2 wholes. 7/3, 8/3, 9/3. That makes 3 wholes. We can write 9/3 is equivalent to 3 wholes. Now let's try fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. That makes 1 whole. 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. That makes 2 wholes. 9/4, 10/4, 11/4, 12/4. That makes 3 wholes. We can write 12/4 is equivalent to 3 wholes. Now let's make 3 wholes using sixths. We have 6 sixths, which makes 1 whole. Another 6 sixths makes another whole. That's 12 sixths. Let's add 6 more sixths, which makes 18 sixths, and that is equivalent to 3 wholes. Now let's write equivalent fractions for 2 wholes. Let's start with halves. 1/2, 2 halves. That makes 1 whole. Another 2 halves makes 2 wholes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 halves. 4 halves is the same or equivalent to 2 wholes. Let's try thirds. 3/3 makes 1 whole. Another 3/3 makes 2 wholes. We can say that we have 3, 4, 5, 6/3 is equivalent to 2 wholes. Let's make an equivalent fraction using fourths. 4/4 makes 1 whole. Another 4/4 makes 2 wholes. We have 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. 8/4 is equivalent to 2 wholes. Let's write an equivalent fraction for 2 wholes using sixths. We have 6 sixths, which makes 1 whole. Another 6 sixths makes 2 wholes. That makes 12 sixths, and we know that's equivalent to 2 wholes.